We are looking at a 2-hour SPY chart here, and in the background I have my custom indicator that tells me in what direction the market is headed, because I know that I can't help myself but to develop a bias in one direction or the other depending on what information I'm reading, and I'm trying to push that aside, and that's why I developed this indicator that tells me just by the color in what direction the market wants to go. So when it's green, it wants to go up. When it is reddish, it wants to go down. And within the color, so when it is green, for example, I'm only looking at buy signals to buy the dip, right? Like here and here and here. And when it's red, I'm only looking for sells, like here and here. But if I get a sell signal, for example, in a red zone, and that sell signal is not working, that tells me something might be about to change. That happened, for example, here. We are still in the red zone, but I get a sell signal here, and it's not working. So that is the first warning sign. And then most likely we will switch color, and all of a sudden there is a melt up. And I believe we are about to see the same thing here again, because we had beautiful sell signal here, worked out like a charm here, buy signal, which we would ignore because it is a red background color. But then we had now here a sell signal and another one there, and this one here worked for a little bit, but now we are back up to almost to that level, and we saw already here snippets of green. Right now back again, snippets of being green or neutralish. No, it's actually green color. So this tells me we might be here in a phase transition, and we might break to the upside. So I definitely do not want to short the market here. And if I turn this beautiful artwork off and turn on my other indicator that I like, it tells me where support and resistance is. So obviously this here is a big support area, and this is the resistance area. Everybody knows it. It is Captain Obvious to everybody. So as soon as we break above this, I believe all the shorts, I mean, and I bet so many people are shorting these levels here, all the shorts have stops in this area. Those stops will get triggered, and it will cause a melt up higher. This is why I don't like to short the market here right now at these levels. Before we wrap it up, let's take a quick look at GDXJ, the Junior Gold Miner ETF. Yesterday I put out a video explaining why I like JNUG between 74 and 75. It rallied more than 10% then, and yesterday I got the first sell signal. Today I'm getting another one. So hopefully you took the money and ran and you are out of it. I no longer like being long gold miners, at least for the time being. It might change depending on the Fed minutes later today and Jay Powell's speech on Friday. This is it for right now. I am looking at net gas right now, so there might be a play there to buy the dip. I believe that the downtrend is probably coming to an end, and I'd much rather be a bit dip buyer than a seller of rallies. So UGAZ could be in play, but it's a little bit early. It's very speculative to buy into it, but we have a setup here where there could be an interesting short squeeze. If something develops in that area, I will be back with another video.